up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Just chopped all this. Well, this was already chopped up from earlier. Got some pot roast from last night. I was at my friend Kathy's last night. Family dinner every Wednesday. She made this. Awesome. Cilantro, cheese, mushroom, onion, and cilantro in there. Okay, check this out. So we got the cast iron we're using, and then some bacon grease. Lard is a staple in any Mexican food. Anyway, we're doing a quesadilla. So yeah, watch what happens. And here's the tortillas we're using. Some carb balance. And like I was trying to say earlier, lard or bacon grease, same damn thing, is a staple in Mexican food. If you really like Mexican food, from the good ass Mexican place you go to, they're definitely using this shit. You know what I mean? So yeah, put your desired amount of toppings on there and plenty of cheese on the bottom and the top. And then put the other tortilla on top and let it do its thing. Let it get melty and then flip it over and get melty on the other side and brown up the tortilla. Know what I mean? Watch. Okay, other tortilla on top, and then I'm gonna put the lid on. Let it do its thing, and then we'll flip it over. You know what I mean? Okay, check it out. It's all melty. So I'm gonna put the tortilla back on, and then we're gonna flip it. Kind of burn it, but that's alright. Now let it do its thing on this side for a minute. You know what I mean? And there you go. Let me do another one, and then we'll mukbang it up, okay? So yeah, I don't know if that last part was recording. I'm gonna assume it wasn't. So we're back. Quesadillas, I cut them in squares. Nice and charred on the tortilla. Take some salsa, like so. Put it on there. Got some of this guacamole salsa left. Put that on there too. Just feed your face. Mmm. So fucking good. And so easy. So good, so fucking easy. Man. Mushrooms, onions, cheese, pot roast, cilantro, tortilla, guacamole, and salsa. So good. It's so easy. If you haven't caught on yet, that's the theme of this channel. Just hook yourself up for not that much money. Just letting you know, cooking's not that hard. It can be intimidating, I guess, to people until you actually do it for yourself. But, yeah, man, so fucking good. So bomb. Yeah, so we had bacon in the fridge too. I didn't even notice till I was done making them. Would have loved some of that on there too. Oh well. always next time. Use that bacon for something else, right? And these dogs are wanting some. They're right here just trying to stare at the food, even though they can't see it. I gave them a sample of that pot roast earlier. So they know. They know what I'm doing. Through their sense of taste, right? Mmm. So damn good, so fucking easy. Let me go get that other one. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Back with the other one. Yeah. Load this up with some salsa. Yeah. Salsa guacamole combo. Yeah. Little bit of cheese pull I saw there. Fucking money. So bomb. So bomb. Mm-mm. So yeah, what's up with you guys? Say something in the comments. I don't care what. I'll write you back. Okay, I'm getting full. I still got some left. Let's see. It's gonna hook me up the rest of the night. Just not right now. I'm good. Just want to bring you that video. Please like and subscribe. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Tell me what's up. You like the video? How do you make quesadillas, Mexican food? Do you use lard? Do you agree lard is, how do you say it? The name lard is vilified. It's actually better than like a lot of like Crisco and fucking any seed oils. It's better than that shit, guys. Trust me. So you'd rather be using lard for your health. instead of these other fucking oils and Crisco or whatever. Whatever you're fucking doing out there. Anyway, please smash that like and subscribe button. All that cringy YouTube crap. Check out one of these next videos on the screen if it lets me do that in the YouTube studio. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.